Now, British-born Jamaican swimmer Jessica Calderbank has made a promising start to her season, delivering an impressive performance at a recent meet in England. The national representative, the second fastest Jamaican of all time in both the 50 and 100-meter butterfly, finished just outside her personal best in the shortest sprint and says that the early signs are encouraging.
I recently competed at the Swim England Short Course Championships and it was a really strong start to the season. I was right on my PB in the 50 butterfly. I swam 26.6, just 0.2 over my best time of 26.4. So I'm feeling confident heading into long course, which is usually where I'm.
Calderbank, who made her senior debut for Jamaica at the 2024 World Aquatics Championships in Doha, is also adjusting to life with a new kit partner as she builds towards the rest of the season. The butterfly specialist expressed gratitude for the support while also acknowledging her current sponsor as she continues her preparation.
I recently got to work with Feisty Activewear, a new brand focusing on empowering women of ethnic minorities and encouraging women to step into their power in every space. And of course, I'd just like to mention as well, I'm grateful for the continued support from Arena Swim UK, which is my main sponsor. Their backing plays a strong role in my training and performance as I prepare for the rest of the season.
Only Olympic medalist Ali Atkinson has recorded faster times for Jamaica in the history of the 50 and 100-meter butterfly events, underlining Calderbank's status as one of the nation's leading